Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iOS 26 update not showing up on your iPhone. So if you want to download and install iOS 26 but it is not showing on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to check whether it is showing on your phone or not. So you have to go to general, and after that you have to click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have turned on the iOS 26 updates on your iPhone, and you have turned on iOS 26 update. But if it is not showing and it is showing iOS 18.5, then you have to wait for some time, because maybe that there are iOS 26 developer beta options are available. So as you can see, iOS 26 beta 3 is available. You can simply download it from here, but you have to make sure that before downloading and installing, you have to face many bugs and errors, because many beta versions are test versions of the iOS. So you have to make sure that before downloading and installing the beta version of iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.